My name's Lindsey Austin. I'm a first-year pediatric critical care fellow here at UCSF. Coming to fellowship, my goals are twofold. One, to get great clinical training, which I'm definitely receiving. And secondly is to learn more about research and kind of launch that aspect of my career, which for me is in global health, at the intersection of global health and implementation science. Since coming to UCSF very early on, I met with global health mentors. I've identified an implementation science mentor. Both of them have helped me find other people within and without my department to really start, even as a first year, thinking about what are, 4, 5, 6 steps in advance to really grow my career and take advantage of these 3 years that I have dedicated in fellowship. Being at UCSF, I constantly, almost every single day, work with diverse families. Some are located here within the US all the time, but maybe have a different primary language, in which case I get to use interpreter services literally daily, almost multiple times a day, I would say. And then beyond that, I also interact with a lot of families who come from different countries, specifically to receive care at UCSF. And so even without leaving the country, it's very relevant doing global health here at UCSF. One reason I was grateful to get to come to UCSF was getting to work at both Benioff Children's Hospitals, one on the San Francisco side of the Bay and one in Oakland. And that continues to be true and something that I enjoy. Both see different things clinically. You get to interact with people from different socioeconomic brackets, people from different backgrounds, and that's true for the patients, but also the staff. There's a different feel, a different culture, I think, of both of the hospitals, which is valuable to me as a person because it's fulfilling to get to work with so many different types of people. But I think from a career perspective, it's also really valuable that you get to learn and work in very different environments. I really went with my gut when I ranked UCSF #1 in feeling like the people here were wonderful and welcoming and interested and cared about the same values that I cared about. And that has definitely been true since being here. It's a very casual, fun, but appropriately serious work environment where people really do care about each other. And I think that's really important when you're working 70 to 80 hours a week with these people. So I feel like I went with my gut when I was doing interviews, even virtually, and I continue to give that advice to people because it has not failed me yet.